This 1605-ply laminator machine, with its advanced technology and excellent performance, has been in service in the Brazilian packaging industry. As an efficient laminating machine, it performs very well in cardboard production lines, especially in laminating operations of 3 and 5-ply cardboard, demonstrating exceptional stability and precision. Especially for 3-layer live board with a length of 1,200 millimeters, the 1605-ply laminator machine perfectly fits the needs of the Brazilian market. Each cardboard is precisely laminated to ensure high-quality production standards and meet customers' strict requirements for product durability and appearance. After using this laminator machine, our customers have seen a significant increase in production efficiency and smoother operation of their production lines. This not only allows them to better meet the market demand, but also improves the competitiveness and profitability of their products. In addition to the 1605-ply laminator machine, HRB PACK also specializes in the manufacturing and sales of flexo folding machine, folder gluer, box making machine production line. We always insist on the close combination of technological innovation and customer needs to ensure that each piece of equipment can bring excellent productivity and quality assurance to our customers around the world. HRB PACK is committed to providing excellent equipment and services to the global packaging industry. Wherever you are in the world, we will provide you with the most suitable solution to help your production line become efficient and intelligent.